In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show sale discount badges in Shopify Dawn theme. If you're using the Dawn theme and want your sale badges to show the actual discount, like 30% off instead of a generic sale, you can do that with a small code tweak. Before we begin, a quick note on how Shopify decides what's on sale. The badge appears when a product's compare at price is higher than its current price. So make sure your products have a compare at price set. Otherwise, no badge will show. First, create a safe backup. In your Shopify admin, duplicate your current theme so you can always roll back if needed. It's a simple step that can save a lot of trouble later. Next, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Edit Code on your active theme. We're going to edit the snippet that renders product cards or badges. In most versions of Dawn, you'll find it in Snippets, Card Product, Liquid, or Snippets, Product Badge, .liquid. In some cases, it might be in Price, Liquid. If you're not sure, use the search bar in the code editor and search for On Sale or Badge. Open the file and look for a small block that checks whether the product is discounted. It typically looks like an if statement that compares the compare at price to the price, and then prints a sale badge using a translation key. Instead of showing a generic message, we'll replace that block with a calculation. Assign a discount amount equal to compare at price minus price, then assign a discount percentage equal to discount amount times 100 divided by compare at price, rounded to a whole number. Finally, output a span with text like discount percentage, what percent off. That way, the badge will display the calculated percentage for each product. Save your changes and preview your store. On products where the compare at price is set correctly, you should now see a percentage badge such as 25% off instead of sale. If nothing appears, double-check that the product truly has a higher compare at price. To refine the look, open your theme style sheet, typically Assets, Base, CSS, and style the badge class you saw in the snippet. You can change the background color, text color, padding, border radius, and positioning to match your brand. A high contrast color and bold text help the badge stand out, and a small border radius can give it a polished pill shape. If you make a styling change and don't see it right away, clear your browser cache or do a hard refresh. That's it. Your Dawn theme now shows eye-catching, accurate discount badges that can improve click-through and conversions.